In this tutorial, you'll learn how to start working with the ORDA Data Model Classes. Click on the model to start. Remember, in the previous tutorial, we have created this data model with this patient data class. Let's create the ORDA Data Model Classes associated to this data class. The classes have been created. Let's work with this entity class. We add a computed attribute in this class, full name. The computed attribute full name is visible on the data model. Now, let's work with the doctor data class. We can also add a function from the data model. We choose in which class we want to add the function. Here we choose to add a search function in the data class. Note, if an ORDA Data Model class does not exist yet, it is created on the fly when you add a function. The class has been created properly. We add the search function. The function is visible on the data model. We can also add functions to the data store class. The data store class has been created. Thank you for watching.